eBay. It's a multi. Right, so we're gonna see what this could do, right? Alright, so in here, I'm not gonna do a full review of this, what it could do and blah blah blah. Just need to get a car started, okay? You can get this for like £34. See guys? Alright, so started to lose it, right? Okay. Right, anyway. As I was saying, it's £34 on eBay. Right, and yeah, you know, if you go on eBay and put in like jumper starter for a car, I think this will be the first one that comes up. Okay, in here you could find underneath this rubbery thing. I don't know why they put a rubber to it because it's not even waterproof. Right. Okay, so underneath here you could charge your phones, and let's say you could charge your laptop there, right? So in here now, here you put the blue connector, in there, right? So I wish this was a bit longer. You know, I got the Nico one in this one. This is
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second.
So you select 12 volt to start your car because if your car battery is 12 volts, okay? Hook it up. Alright, so let's say you should leave it for a couple of minutes while it's on. Well, that's what I'm doing. Just leaving for a couple of minutes, so come back to it. Just to make sure that this is properly done. Right, so there you go, guys. Got power, guys. Alright, so is it in gear? Alright, so ignition. Alright, we got ignition. Wow. Start. Alright, you It's on a dead battery. Let's turn it off. Let's turn that off, yeah? Let's see if we could do it again. You know what I mean? I'm gonna test it again. Still supposed to still be on a dead battery, right? So let's start it again. Hey! That's it. Gotta take the key out. Let's start it again. Let's go 3 times. Right? Ready? Yep. We did it, right? 3 goes. So, yeah, so they say you should take it off as soon as you finished. Right? Taking that off, so I guess it works. Yeah. Alright, so normally when your battery dies, the car sometimes throws some error codes and stuff. Let's put this back to, you put this back together now. Let's put it back here. And you just take that off. Yes, when you change the battery, when the car been sitting for a long time, you normally get some codes inside, some error codes. Let's see what's there. Right? Oops. Right, there you go. So it's coming back saying I should set it to English. So, yep. Imperial. Right. Wait. System is quite okay. Right, so you're gonna get some. Let's turn off the flash off this camera. Right, so you're gonna get like the ABS and the VSA. So you need to get this reset, okay? If you have a flat battery, sometimes in Hondas, yeah, you give it that VSA check system. Right, so anyway guys, thanks for watching. It was fun doing this video, and as I said before, this is what it comes with. You could charge you got USB, standard USB. It also has a USB-C, and you also have an iPhone USB. Right, so you could charge like 3 devices at the same time, and also you can also charge a laptop, and you could charge it in your house. It's actually a UK plug, or you could actually charge that in the car while you're on the go. Okay, right, so, and it comes with a couple of adapters that fits different laptops.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working night